Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. After navigating the document security and privacy settings, let's now move on to the active document access. These are the settings that you can set prior to the signing process. Starting off with the account restriction, which lets you decide whether to allow your signers to have no account required and sign as guests, or require them to create an account first with DOCONCHAIN before they can view or sign your document. You can also restrict the signature type to be used in signing your document. This means that only the checked ones will be allowed to be used to sign and save their signature. Lastly, we have the signature reminders, which will automatically be sent based on the frequency that you set. This feature will help you save time and effort in manually resending the document for signature, as well as to better keep track of your document. You can set the day on the first reminder, which will be counted after the document was sent out, as well as the following reminders, which will be counted after the first reminder. You can also choose to only send the first reminder or send following reminders after the first one. The signature reminders will stop once the document has been signed. That's it for the active document access. For the next set of settings, see you at the next video. Thank you.